When you encounter a white blank screen while trying to log in to the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 or 10 PC, it can be frustrating. However, there are several steps you can take to resolve this issue. First, ensure that your computer's date, time zone, and region settings are correct. You can do this by clicking on the date and time in the bottom right corner of your screen, then selecting Adjust Date and Time. Make sure both Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are turned on. Click on Sync Now to ensure the settings are up to date. If the issue persists, try clearing the store cache using the wsreset command. Type wsreset in the Windows search box and run the command. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache and may resolve the issue. If clearing the cache doesn't work, consider updating your Windows operating system to the latest version. Open Windows Settings, go to Update and Security, or Windows Update in Windows 10, and click on Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. If the problem persists, you can try repairing or resetting the Microsoft Store app. Go to Windows Settings, then click on Apps or Apps and Features in Windows 10. Search for Microsoft Store and select it. Click on Advanced Options and choose either Repair or Reset to attempt to fix the app. If none of the above steps work, you can try restarting the Windows Update, Microsoft Store Install Service, and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Type Services in the Windows search box, then find each service in the list, double-click on it, and ensure it's set to Automatic. Click on Start to ensure the services are running properly. If the issue still persists, you can try running PowerShell commands provided in the video description. Open PowerShell as an administrator, paste and run the commands provided, and follow any instructions. If all else fails, you can uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Store using PowerShell commands. Again, open PowerShell as an administrator, paste and run the commands provided in the video description to uninstall, and then reinstall the Microsoft Store. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to reset your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Before doing so, make sure to back up any important data, as resetting your PC will remove all files and settings. These steps should help you resolve the issue of encountering a white blank screen when trying to log in to the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.